Humans have been consuming plants as a source of food for thousands of years, and today, there are an estimated 300,000 different varieties of edible plants on Earth. However, despite this incredible diversity, we rely on just a tiny fraction of these plants for our sustenance. In fact, of the 300,000 different edible plants on Earth, humans only eat about 200 different kinds on a global scale. The reasons for this limited range of plant consumption are complex and multifaceted. In many cases, it is a matter of availability and accessibility. Certain types of plants may only grow in certain regions or under specific environmental conditions, making them difficult or impossible to cultivate in other areas. As a result, many cultures have developed a cuisine that is closely tied to the plants that grow in their local environment. Another factor that limits the variety of plants we consume is cultural preference. Humans have a natural inclination towards familiarity and tend to prefer the taste of foods that are familiar to them. As a result, many cultures have developed a cuisine that is based on a small number of staple foods that are eaten regularly. In addition to availability and cultural preference, economic factors also play a role in shaping our food choices. In many cases, the cost of producing and distributing certain types of plants may be prohibitively high, making them unaffordable for many people. As a result, many people rely on a limited range of inexpensive staple foods, such as rice, wheat, and corn. Despite these limitations, there are efforts underway to promote the consumption of a greater variety of plants. This is driven by a growing awareness of the importance of plant diversity for human health, as well as the need to address issues such as food security and sustainability. One strategy for promoting greater plant diversity is through education and awareness-raising campaigns. By educating people about the nutritional benefits of different types of plants and encouraging them to try new foods, it may be possible to expand the range of plants that are consumed on a global scale. Another approach is to promote the cultivation and distribution of underutilized plant species. Many of these plants are highly nutritious and resilient, and may be able to thrive in a variety of different environments. By promoting the cultivation and distribution of these plants, it may be possible to increase the diversity of foods available to people around the world. In addition to promoting the consumption of a greater variety of plants, there are also efforts underway to preserve the diversity of plant species that currently exist. This is important not only for maintaining a healthy and diverse food system, but also for preserving the natural habitats and ecosystems that support these plants. In conclusion, while there are an estimated 300,000 different varieties of edible plants on Earth, humans currently only consume about 200 different kinds on a global scale. This limited range of plant consumption is influenced by a range of factors, including availability, cultural preference, and economic factors. However, efforts are underway to promote the consumption of a greater variety of plants and to preserve the diversity of plant species that currently exist. By doing so, it may be possible to create a more sustainable and healthy food system for people around the world.